There's a lot of people, there are a lot of short sellers out there that have been borrowing stock they didn't have. In other words, yes, I think there are dynamics where retail investors can get caught, but it's really a dynamic.
Naked shorts just got a whole more real. My name is Andrew. This is CNBC Fast Money coming at you and telling you real fast, you might have missed it, whether or not naked shorts is something that is truly happening. Listen to it once more time.
There's a lot of people, there are a lot of short sellers out there that have been borrowing stock they didn't have. In other words, yes, I think there are dynamics where retail investors can get caught, but it's really...
Let's break that down. Borrowing shorts you don't have. You can borrow shorts, right? You can borrow a stock, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're not going to pay it back, right? This is a obligation. In fact, if you borrow a stock and then sell it immediately, then you have to eventually give that back by buying it again. That is the coerced buying action of a short. But if you borrow a stock from nobody, you are essentially going down into the checkbook, creating a brand new bill that is motion pictures only, if you guys can take a look here. However, there's nobody out there that can tell you that this bill doesn't exist. You just have to find someone's wallet where they're willing for you to take that out eventually. This is not the case. People are not going out and thinking about naked short selling as a, hey, yeah, it's a great way to be able to have a fluid market, don't you think? Sometimes I can't afford a share right now. Sometimes I can't afford to find someone to borrow from. Then if I still want to be able to do exactly what I want to do, which is drive the price action down, bet against the stock, hold a short position, then I can just go ahead and do it. Normally that is not allowed, and especially since the mainstream media has been pushing down this signal as much as possible, we had been speculating on exactly how much there truly is out there. Let me have you take a closer look. This is the statistical tracker. We can take a better understanding of how many fails to deliver there are, and that gives us a, let's say, a taste in your mouth that has the tune of 120,000 a day, but somewhere up closer to 3.7 million shares a day. And that's just an inkling. That's just an indicator of how many naked shorts there truly are. When you take a position such as, you know, I want to be able to borrow some money, but I don't currently have it, after a certain amount of time, those end up failing to deliver because you haven't been able to allocate that counterfeit bill, that counterfeit short to any other person. But we have talked about in the past how they can cycle through with different techniques in the money calls, and that's something that you can observe yourself on the options chain using option sonar, which is another tool that we have covered multiple times on this show. So this is why you have to start getting up in arms about this. You have to start thinking about where the mainstream media is slipping up, and hopefully we just gave you a better tool to be able to get exactly there. Send the message out. Like this video so that we can, at the very least, tell them that we are fully listening to their little mishap, their little slip up, whatever it is. Me and Professor Meatball, we're going to be here for you guys. So if this video isn't quite up to 2,000 likes, help us get up there by pressing that like yourself. And if you guys haven't gone up to the subscribe button, because we're just 5,000 away from 100,000, well, you guys are in a bit of a lucky treat. Go ahead and press that like button, press that subscribe button so that when you do, you get 3 times the raffle to be able to win our giveaway of swag, one-on-one private time with me where we can discuss whatever you want. If you guys wanted to talk about your specific portfolio, you can want to talk about technical analysis and different ways to become a data scientist, that is all in the radar. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for checking in on this quick video, and we'll see you in the money. Peace.